In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Framer. This is a simple process, but it's an important one, especially if you're using a shared computer or switching between different Framer accounts. I'll walk you through each part slowly so you know exactly where to click and what to look for on the screen. First, make sure you're logged into Framer in your web browser. Open your browser and go to the Framer website. If you've been working recently, you'll most likely land on your projects or your recent files view. That's totally fine. You don't need to be on any specific page inside Framer to sign out. What matters is that you can see the main Framer interface with your workspace and projects. Once you're in Framer, look towards the upper left corner of the screen. This is where your workspace name is displayed. The workspace name might be something like your personal workspace or the name of your team or company. It will usually appear as a label or button that you can click, often near the Framer logo or at the top of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on that workspace name in the upper left. When you click it, a drop-down menu or panel will open. This menu typically contains options related to your account and workspace, such as switching workspaces, managing settings, or viewing your profile. Take a quick moment to scan through this menu so you're familiar with what's there. Within this menu, look for the option that says Sign Out. It might be near the bottom of the list since sign out options are commonly placed there, but the exact position can vary slightly as interfaces update. Once you've found it, click on Sign Out. After you click Sign Out, Framer will log you out of your account and redirect you, usually to the login page or a welcome screen. At this point, you're no longer signed in, so your projects and account settings are protected. If you need to use Framer again, you'll just log back in with your usual credentials. That's all there is to it. By going to Framer, clicking your workspace name in the top left, and then selecting Sign Out, you can safely and quickly log out of your Framer account whenever you're done working.